You doing what?
I'm cooking with my mom.
You expect me to eat this? Are you sure about that?
Yeah?
So you teaching kids everywhere how to cook?
Yeah.
What are you cooking?
Pasta.
Some pasta? If you mess my food up, little girl, is it about ready?
Not yet. It's still gotta cook.
How many people do you plan on feeding?
6.
You gonna feed 6 people? Who coming to dinner then?
Papa.
Who taught you how to cook? Huh?
Nobody.
You learned on your own?
Yeah.
So you making pasta and what else?
Pasta and bread and chicken and what else?
That's it.
That's it. Only that, this, and chicken. Bread, pasta, and chicken. I think it's ready. Is it ready? Who gave me this? I get this from my school. But I get this from my school.
Man, she ain't worried about that.
From your stuff.
She ain't worried about that. She cooking.
Why did this come from?
How'd you messing with a chef, man? Get out of here while she cook. Tell that chump to get out of here.